Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ka Jylla Conrad Sangma. Henne kasngi ulapan pau ya ka Kmen, ba ka Jylla ka yo ya ka Khusnam kum kawai ne ki Jylla, ki basdang ya ka Seng kam Sengjam. Ulaya thu ba ka Jylla kala persang bon kilat ki lenti, ban ai mensiem ya ki bas Seng kam Sengjam. Watla ide I jingarap ibaren, Henry kan ai mensiem ya ki. Ula ong ba usngaw sarong ba ka Jylla ka day kawai na ki laitali, ki bayo ya ka ne ka startup award. Kabakan thop ya ka Jylla Gujarat, bat Karnataka. Kanika Khusnam kadai nakabanta ki bas Sengkam Sengjam ha ka Jylla.
It's a very happy moment, I should say, and the reason I'm personally happy is because we have been actually really focusing on entrepreneurship and startup for a long time, and I am a firm believer as an entrepreneur myself. I faced a lot of challenges, and I felt that support was not there and the system was not there, and even a small support structure would encourage our entrepreneurs. And in the long run, for any economy to move forward, unless until startups and entrepreneurship is not encouraged, the economy cannot move forward. Government has got its limitations. Government is a facilitator. It creates the policies, it creates infrastructure, the ecosystem. But what drives the economy is business and entrepreneurship. And hence we have been focusing on it for the past 2 to 3 years, almost 4 years now. And today we have seen that Meghalaya has been awarded the best startup, one of the best startup states, along with 2 other states, as Gujarat and Karnataka. So Gujarat, Karnataka and Meghalaya have received this award. So it's a great honor and pride, I think, for all of us. And I give full credit to the entrepreneurs who are really the people who are driving this. So yes, it's great, and I dedicate this particular award to the entrepreneurs of our state. Thank you.